If you are struggling to make content and you have no idea what are the types of content, so this video is for you. In this video I will be going to walk through you about the three types of content. So let's get started. The first one is content that grows. Content is categorized into three main parts. The one that grows, okay, the second that connects with the new people, and the third one is the convert into your leads. So the first one is content that grows. The content that makes you grow or to discover more and more new people is by posting educational content. The educational content, the motivational, entertaining and storytelling. So the educational is what you are selling. You are selling personal development. You are talking about that. You are teaching people about the stuff, the personal development, or anything about related to education you are providing to them will be your educational content. It may be varies from different. If you are selling weight loss services, then it's about teaching how to lose your weight. Okay, the second one is motivational content, that if you do this thing you will get this one. Okay, like a type of motivation. The third one is entertaining. You post something that is entertaining it according to your content, and that will be entertaining content. And the fourth one is storytelling. Storytelling, you are telling about your story or some of your client story who achieve this or this goal by doing your framework, or by doing your coaching or whatever it is. So you are telling them story, or your own story, your personal story. You are sharing your story. It will be in the content that will grow your audience. Okay, the second one is content that connects. Okay, this content is build real personal connection with your audience. Okay, now in this, the personal stories and behind the scene content, like how you are working. Okay, if you have a studio, you grab your phone and record a reel about your studio, how you are working. Or in this content, you have to be honest. You have to give your honest opinion. Okay, so this will build your trust. If you are like, you cannot be perfect and your content cannot be perfect, so be honest. Like if I'm struggling to find content ideas, then I have to ask them that I am finding it hard for me to identify the content ideas. Okay, so this makes trust. If you are perfect, and like if you are talking like that you have know everything, this is not going to work. You have to tell that you are there, like you have also faced these problems that you are facing right now. Okay, the third one is the content that converts. It includes proofs, result, transformation you created for your client. So if you have a weight loss client and you help him to lose 20 pounds, 50 pounds, or whatever it is. If you are a business, if you are in a business of real estate, you have proofs like how you sell the property, or how you sell your ebooks, how you sell your clients' books. So these are the proofs, the result. If the best way is that you collect the proofs from your clients. This will help you a lot in making this content. So these are the three types of content. Okay, and if you want to learn more, then you have to subscribe to my channel.